Welcome back to the channel. Today I have an action-packed itinerary for you to the wonderful Madrid. Ensure to watch until the end before booking those flights. Before we go, please like, share and subscribe. And comment below on your favourite part of the trip. You will need somewhere to stay, so I have hand-picked 3 hotels to suit all budgets. Day 1. Arrival in Madrid. Upon arrival in Madrid, check into your chosen accommodation. Budget. Stay at Hotel EconoMadrid, located in the heart of the city. Midrange. Enjoy a comfortable stay at Hotel Centro Madrid, conveniently situated near major attractions. Luxury. Experience opulence at its finest at the Ritz Madrid, an iconic luxury hotel renowned for its elegance. After settling in, head to Mercado de San Miguel for lunch, where you can savor an array of Spanish delicacies in a vibrant market atmosphere. Spend the afternoon exploring the historic streets of Madrid, wandering through Puerta del Sol and Plaza Mayor. For dinner, indulge in traditional Spanish cuisine at Restaurante Botín, the world's oldest continuously operating restaurant, known for its succulent roast suckling pig and lamb. Day 2. Museums and galleries. Start your day with a hearty breakfast at Café de Oriente, offering stunning views of the royal palace. Then embark on a cultural journey by visiting the renowned museums of Madrid. Museo del Prado. Explore one of the world's premier art galleries, featuring masterpieces by Spanish and European artists, such as Velázquez, Goya and El Greco. Reina Sofia Museum. Immerse yourself in contemporary art and admire works by Picasso, Dali and Miro. Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum. Delve into an extensive collection of European art spanning from the 13th to the 20th century. For lunch, dine at Taberna Los Galos, a cozy tavern serving authentic Spanish cuisine. In the afternoon, take a leisurely stroll through Retiro Park, Madrid's largest green space, and visit the Crystal Palace, an architectural gem hosting temporary art exhibitions. For dinner, indulge in innovative Spanish cuisine at Diver XO, a 3 Michelin-starred restaurant offering a unique culinary experience. Day 3. Day trip to Toledo. Embark on a day trip to the medieval city of Toledo, known for its rich history and cultural heritage. Join a guided tour with Toledo Tours Lutin to explore the city's iconic landmarks, including the Cathedral of Toledo, Alcazar of Toledo, and the Synagogue of Santa Maria la Blanca. Enjoy a traditional Spanish lunch at Restaurante Adolfo, renowned for its savory roast lamb and stunning views of the city. After lunch, wander through Toledo's narrow streets, lined with ancient architecture and artisan shops. And don't forget to sample some marzipan, a local specialty. In the evening, return to Madrid and dine at La Terraza del Casino, a Michelin-starred restaurant offering avant-garde cuisine by renowned chef Paco Roncero. Day 4. Flamenco experience. Start your day with breakfast at Café Federal, a trendy cafe serving delicious brunch options. In the afternoon, immerse yourself in the vibrant world of flamenco with a flamenco experience tour by Madrid Flamenco Tours. Enjoy a mesmerizing flamenco show accompanied by live music and passionate dancing. After the show, indulge in a tapas dinner at Taberna la Carmencita, a historic tavern dating back to the 19th century. Day 5. Shopping and culinary delights. Spend the day exploring Madrid's shopping districts, including Gran Via, Calle Fuencarral, and Salamanca neighborhood, known for its high-end boutiques and designer stores. For lunch, head to Mercado de San Anton, a modern food market offering a variety of gourmet stalls and culinary delights. In the afternoon, take a cooking class with Cooking Point Madrid, where you'll learn to prepare traditional Spanish dishes such as paella, gazpacho, and sangria. In the evening, dine at Sobrino de Botín, another historic restaurant famous for its classic Spanish cuisine and cozy atmosphere. Day 6. Royal Palace and Gardens. Start your day with breakfast at La Rollerie, a charming cafe serving freshly baked pastries and artisan coffee. Explore the Royal Palace of Madrid, the official residence of the Spanish royal family, and wander through the lush gardens of Campo del Moro. For lunch, enjoy a picnic in the park or dine at Café de Oriente for a taste of Spanish royalty. In the afternoon, visit the Temple of Debod, an ancient Egyptian temple relocated to Madrid, offering stunning sunset views over the city skyline. For dinner, savor traditional Spanish tapas at Taberna La Bola, a family-run tavern with a rich culinary history. Day 7. Farewell to Madrid. On your final day in Madrid, enjoy a leisurely breakfast at Café del Jardin, a quaint cafe nestled in the botanical gardens of Madrid. Spend your remaining time exploring any sites or neighborhoods you may have missed, or simply relax and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of the city. Before departing, indulge in one last Spanish meal at Casa Lucio, a beloved restaurant famous for its huevos rotos, broken eggs, and warm hospitality. Bid farewell to Madrid and cherish the memories of your unforgettable journey. There you have it, enjoy your stay and, as always, safe travels. Disclaimer, the mentioned hotels, restaurants, excursion companies and museums are for illustrative purposes only. I have not been paid or endorsed by any of these entities, and prices may vary.